Every day, I reveal exclusive, insider-only product intel. Subscribe to effortlessly make your hard-earned money count. Believe it or not, the best campfire experience can happen without a single spark, because the nostalgia indoor Smores maker delivers flawless heat without flames. Field data shows the electric heater reaches a golden brown in under 3 minutes, letting a teenage gamer finish a level and still catch the perfect marshmallow melt. Signals also reveal the 2 stainless steel forks stay cool to the touch, while the 4 section trays keep chocolate, graham, and marshmallow organized, so a busy parent can serve the whole family without juggling sticky sticks. Cleanup patterns highlight the detachable base and dishwasher-safe trays, turning what could be a messy chore into a quick rinse after movie night. Verdict: the unit shines for any home that craves campfire nostalgia, but demands safety, speed, and zero fire hassle.